This is part 1. We've got step, clap, chips and salsa, and slide, step. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, step, clap, 2, and 3, and 4. We go out, together, out, together, out, together, out. Slide step. Go 1, go 2, go 3, go 4. That is part 1. Now I'm going to do it slow. 5, 6, 7, 8, one time. 2, 3, and 4. Here's your bowl of chips. And there's the salsa, and there's the cheese. So put it in the salsa, put it in the cheese, 4 times, salsa and cheese. Now we slide that way first. Slide, 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 and slide. Up to tempo, 1, 2, 3, and 4. We go 1, 2, 3, and 4. Slide step 1, 2, 3, and 4. That is part 1. Practice that a bunch of times and then add on part 2. Hi guys, we are starting part 2. Make sure you don't begin part 2 until you have part 1 down with the beat and in your head really well, really memorized. So part 2, we've got bounce, arms cross, open. We've got the box turn, and we've got reach and pull. Here we go. Nice and slow. 1, throw them back behind you, 2. So I'm crossing them, and then I'm throwing them back behind my body like that. Okay? 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Now I do the box turn. I make a nice box with my arms. See how my elbows are in line with my shoulders? And I'm making a nice muscle right here to make it really strong. See how my knuckles are facing the floor? I make a box, I step out, then I'm going to cross my arms like that, and I'm going to turn to the side. And I'll make a really big foot. 2, and 3, and 4. Last part is reach, pull. So I reach, 2 times to the right, and 2 times to the left. So all together I'm pulling 4 times. We do everything 4 times. So count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Putting it all together with tempo. If you need to stop this and rewind it, do that now before you try to do it on tempo. Okay? Make sure you practiced it and feel confident. And then try it with me, with the beat. Ready? Starting with bounce, open. 5, 6, ready, here we go. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Go 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Go 1, 2, and a 3, and 4. That is your completion of part 2. I want you to practice part 2. I want you to memorize it, and then I want you to come back for part 3. All right? Moving on to part 3. We've got heel box, arms. We've got step touch with the swinging arms, and then we've got the dig and drop. I'm going to put my notes right here because this one's a little tricky, okay? So, starting with the heel box arms, we're going to go this way first. And let me just show you the arms nice and close. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, moving it up 5, 6, 7, 8. So we go up high, high, low, and grow, 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 grow. Okay? Going always to the right side first. Here's what my feet do. They go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay? So, let's put that together. Arms and legs.
A lot more here. I could put in my name. I could put in my phone.
I don't know what that was, sorry. Okay, 5, 6, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, smiling big. Second time, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is your heel box arms. So again, that's heel box arms. Next, we're gonna do step, touch, swing. So I want you to take your feet and touch it out as big as you can and jump it in. Really throw it out there and jump it in, okay? So just the feet. See how I'm picking up my knee and I'm putting it on my toe. This is called the ball of your foot. I'll show you. This is called the ball of your foot when I have my heel off the floor, okay? So I'm doing that. It's called a dig as well. So I'm digging that foot, picking up my knee. I'm doing a big dig to the side. So I go dig, boom, hitting the ball of my foot on the floor. The arms go swing, 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 and swing. Arms and legs together. We go 1, 2, 3, and 4. We did it 4 times. That means we're ready for the last step. Dig and drop. Arms are gonna go like this. Dig, drop. See how I move my shoulder? So dig. See how my elbow is in line with my shoulder and I'm squeezing my fist really close. So I go dig, I'm facing that wall. I push the arm straight, I drop that shoulder low and I turn it. Then I go dig, drop, dig, drop, dig, and drop. Remember, a dig means my heel's off the floor and I'm using the ball of my foot. So dig, drop, ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Dig, drop, 2, and 3, and 4. Get really low. Last step. Oh, that was the last step. Cool. Let's put it all together. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Remember we do that one 2 times through because it's so long. After we do that 2 times through, we start with the step, touch, swing in the arms. Go to the ball of your foot, swing those arms. 2, pick up that knee. 3, and 4. You can really get your chest moving on that, okay? And your belly. Make it really bouncy and hip-hoppy. Then dig, drop. Dig, drop, dig. Get low, use that shoulder. Tight arms, boom, and drop. All together with the tempo. Ready? Part 3 on tempo. 5, 6, 7, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Second time, we only do this one twice. 5, 6, 7, 8. Bring it up. And 2, and 3, and 4. Dig, drop, dig. Drop. 2, and 3, and 4. Part 3, you're done with part 3. I want you to do it a ton of times until you have it up here in your memory before you start part 4. And a good thing to try is putting together 1, 2, and 3. So you put out your papers that you've made. You put part 1 on the floor, part 2 right in front of you, part 3, and then when you're showing me your videos, you have those in front of you just in case you forget, okay? Hey guys, congratulations. You've made it to part 4. Woo! Write this down if you haven't already. Step number 1 is flex, lift. Step number 2, cross, L. And then we changed number 3. We changed it to slide, hop with box arms. If you need to pause this and write this down, go ahead and do that. I'm going to go over each one slowly first. So, flex and lift. Pushing down, you're going to flex your hand. This is what a flexed hand looks like. So, almost like there's a table underneath it. Then you're going to lift and box out the other arm. See how my shoulder's in line with my elbow? See that box shape? Big muscle right there, okay? So we go flex, box, flex, box, flex, box, and 4 times, okay? The feet go touch, kick, and touch, kick, and touch, kick, and touch, kick, and, okay? Again, that's touch, kick it out, bring it in. Touch, kick it out, bring it in. Touch, kick, and in. And touch it, kick, and in. Adding the arms and the legs, we go 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8. After that last one, after the 4th one, we keep our foot up like this because the next part is the cross step. Goes like this. 1, take it back, 2, 3, cross in front, 4, jump it out, 5. Again, it goes, we just did our 4th one of these, and we hold our foot up so we can cross it over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, a little faster. Ready, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Same thing on the other side. Now you're going to cross over with your right foot. Same exact thing, just on your other leg. So, cross, back, step, cross it in front, and jump it open. Again, ready, go, cross over with the right, 2, 3, and 4. The beat goes boom, 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 boom. Okay? Let's do both sides together. So we're here. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If that's very confusing, rewind and do it slow a bunch of times until it starts to feel more natural. Your body will memorize it, okay? The last part is the slide hop. This is the last part of part 4. This is the end, okay? Slide hop. We go slide, hop, slide, hop, slide, hop, slide, hop. Now I wasn't sliding because I wanted you to be able to see me, but here's the arms. This is what you do on the slide, but your body's facing that way. Then on the hop you go whoom. Then you go side, whoom. Then I'm going to make my slide really big. I'm going to go slide, 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 slide. You want to turn your hips and your head this way and then make a big jump forward and really turn and big jump, okay? The bigger the better. The more you can turn your body, the cooler it looks, okay? So, last time, on tempo, 5, 6, 7, here we go. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, okay? Let's put part 4 all together. Flex lift is first. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7. Kick it up, keep it up, cross it over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right foot over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We go slide. And 2, and 3, and 4. All right? That is the end. Each time you learn a part, go through the part, memorize it, but put your sheets out in front of you. I even need them still, because when you learn a new dance, these will help you a lot, okay? So again, that was part 4. Make sure you've gotten it written down. And I'm going to hold up the other ones, just in case you want to pause your camera and write these down. This is part 1. This is part 2. This is part 3. Pause it if you need to. And this is part 4. So when I'm practicing, here's what I do with my papers. Part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4. Then I step back and I write really big on those papers so I can see from way back here all my steps. That way if I forget, I can look down and try to remember and keep going, okay? Your dance is called Dynamite, D-Y-N-A-M-I-T-E, by BTS. Letter B, letter T, letter S. All right? Good luck, and your assignment is going to be posted on your Google Classroom. Bye.